BOSCAM backing camera. The reason that I chose this model is because it has a lot less interference than the other cameras. Because it's wireless, you want to have a stable signal. First, what's in the box? This is the dashboard display itself. This will be installed on the dashboard. And then in here you have everything else, including the electronics and the camera that's going to go in the back of the trunk. This is my entire dashboard of my car, and I decided to put the camera here in the corner. The reason that I decided to put it here in the corner is that this is the most out of the way, but I could clearly see it when I'm backing up. Also, it's close to my other mirror, which I'm looking into when I'm backing up. So this will work really, really nice for me. Your location may vary, but mine here works very good. Also, choosing the proper location is going to be helpful if you have to do wire management, which I could do through this little beam around. I have decided to install it over here. It just sits above the license plate. And to show you where I hooked it up, there's just these two wires. They go in the back over here, which I'm going to close this one after, but it goes in the back to the reverse light, so it activates when you're putting the car in reverse. So there it is, sitting in a corner. I'm going to put it in reverse because it activates when the reverse lights are on. And there it is. Actually, there is a ball in my driveway. And there it is. There is actually a ball right behind my car in the driveway that I'm going to run over if I'm not paying attention. And it all activates from the reverse light. So this is the camera is off right now, and if I'm pushing the reverse light, it activates the camera and starts broadcasting right away. And there it is. Okay, so let's put it in reverse. There it is. You can clearly see where everything is in the garage. You can see the motorcycle getting closer and closer and closer. And there it is, I'm parked. So how easy was that? So there you have it. Very, very easy installation. This is an encrypted model, so it's encrypted to the camera in the back, so it's not easy hackable by other cars that are nearby. If it just happens that you park next to a car that has exactly the same code as you do. The picture quality is really, really good on the screen. I'm sorry about the shaky video, but I was trying to hold on to the camera while I was trying to back up, which is quite complicated. Thanks for watching.